Alright, we're going to talk about more tangents today. More tangents. And on page 734 is theorem 10.11. Says if two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then they are congruent. If two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, then they are congruent. So let's draw a picture of that. We're going to start off with a circle. Alright, and then segments from the same exterior point. So if we go out here and we draw a segment, and then from that same point we draw another segment, if two segments from the same exterior point are tangent to a circle, well, that's what we got right here. We got segment AB, tangent to a circle. We got segment AC, tangent to a circle. Then they are congruent. So in this picture, AB is congruent to AC. AB is congruent to AC. They're both tangent to the same circle. Now, it would be true, the same would be true in this case. Sometimes the picture they'll try to fool you a little bit, giving you this picture. In this case, the rule still applies. Out here, if this is point A, and AB is a tangent, but AB extends to point C out here, and AD is also a tangent, but it extends out here to point E. Well, you still have two tangents from the same exterior point, or two segments from the same exterior point, tangent to circle F. So in this case as well, AB is congruent to AD. Okay? So if you're told, or let's look at example 4. Example 4 on the bottom of page 734. You've got a circle. You've got a couple of segments from the same exterior point that are tangent to a circle. And you are told that AB is equal to x plus 15. And AC is equal to 2x minus 5. And you could be asked to solve for x, or you could be asked to, let's say you're asked to find segment AB. So by rule, these two segments are congruent, which means that x plus 15 is equal to 2x minus 5. And you can subtract x from each side. And 15 would equal x minus 5. And then you could add 5 to each side. And 20 would equal x. And if 20 is equal to x and you need to find AB, well, AB is equal to x plus 15, so you can substitute. So AB equals 20 plus 15, and AB equals 35. Everybody all right with that? Good, good. Let's take a picture. Take a look at this one. Circle. And then we got let's say we got a triangle around this circle. And you're given something like this entire segment is equal to 30. And this piece down here is 3x. And this is 15. 14. Let's make this 12. Alright, and you need to find the value of x. So, find x. Alright, so if you take your 3x right here, both of these segments originate from this point. This is point Q. Alright, so in this case, this 3x would be equal to 12, wouldn't it? And you can divide both sides by 3, and your x would be equal to 4. Everybody good with that? Pretty simple topic for today. Anybody got any questions on two segments from the same exterior point congruent to a circle? They're equal to each other. Yes?